was Roblox. Sped up by 20. This panel is what I control my sky car with. Without it, I wouldn't be able to traverse the skybox. My speed is into 60 for bit integer, the max number calculation a game engine can handle. Sped up by 20. This is the black box. I was here for 2 hours and 32 minutes, so I will cut to me entering the color box. Sped up by 20. This is the color box. This is footage of an expedition to the glitch box. You can see how small the color box is from here. I was here for 4 hours until I had to leave for school. Although I think I may have found a glimpse of the red box. Slowed. We have reached the red box, evil box. This is the first ever footage. That small gray square is the glitch box I have just left. It took me 6 hours in total to get here using a new integer. This is a huge breakthrough, however. I found something crazy. Sped up by 50. Could this be possible life in the skybox or a bug? My game crashed when it touched me. Call box has finally been found. It's nothing like we could have expected. The sky is breathing, almost moving like a pulse, and my client is getting very laggy. There are also these 3D shapes that we think are entities. For now, this layer seems to be safe. I want to thank everyone in Project Engine for helping me achieve this. He'll add a cowbox layer to the game. We'll be updating you guys on more info soon. Something weird happened in the call box. Are the entities spelling hi? This is the tunnel to the Fritz layer. And after hours of investigation, we are nearly so close to solving this mystery. But how did we get here? Check last video for the dirt, Sky Viewer. For inputting all of the correct codes, we were sent to a maze. First, to reach the Fritz layer. You may have questions. Why is it 3D? How did you get here? What even is it? So the Fritz layer is kind of like an ecosystem. For example, you can see all the organic structure covering the entire map, and there's also a huge base of blue water below, and not to mention the entities we found before. One of them crashed my game. We also found a note as well, and we believe it's from David himself, talking about Project Fritz, so I'm assuming that's why it's called the Fritz layer. But now a big question, how am I in 3D? Because everyone is asking me this question, so I thought I might explain it. But it's really complex. So Fritz isn't outside of the world. It doesn't really work as a normal skybox layer. It's kind of in the rules of the world. So when you go through the Fritz tunnel, It bends space so far that the Fritz layer actually loops into the game's memory. So we aren't going beyond the engine, we're going into the engine's last version, and it remembers so where we're supposed to see the Fritz layer. When we get to the end of the tunnel, just going past infinite at this point, past NA, and so the engine loops back into the last thing it can remember, which is also the furthest thing, which is the Fritz layer. So it kind of constructs this fake reality, but I don't really know how the scripts still work for this area. It's a really weird concept, but I hope you could have kind of remembered that well. Investigations will be made when I get the 256-bit integer, and I will be taking some of you guys along too. I finally managed to open the color giver and get the sky servers. So off the bat, this does look really complex. But we've done a bit of theorizing. It kind of ties in with the bigger picture. So I can actually navigate through the skyboxes like this, and then I can bring it back. I can navigate through these skyboxes. One's like the null box, which I think is the black box, the color box, the glitch box, the red box, the call box, the Fritz box, and the Gen box where we believe Sky Gen is. Now it says the save instance is on the left, and there's much more there as well, and it's kind of cut off. Use the layer rail below to switch context. I can modify the games. I can save the instances of the games. I can skybox relay. I can write memory trace of the games to Genbox, apparently for AI training. So I can save the games for AI training, kind of. Yeah, we don't know much to do with this now. We did another Fritz layer expedition, and yeah, a lot of weird stuff happened. We think the main point is David trying to bring Eric back from the dead using the Skygen program. That is what we think due to the numerous notes we found. Also, let me show you some proof. Here, in the flesh right here.